Hello, welcome. Today we're going to see how to create simple discount using product adjustment. I'm going to have a specific scenario. So today's scenario is this. You're going to give discount for all products on your store, excluding on sale items, and add a condition where the discount gets applied to users from a specific country. Let's get started. Beautiful. So now we're going to go to WooCommerce, discount rules, and then click on add new rule, and then the rule setup page opens. So here you can give a title for your rule. I'm going to keep it simple. Okay. Now it's time to choose a discount type. As we know it already, it's going to be simple discount product adjustment. Okay. Now there's a filter section. You can get to choose what actually gets discount on your store. So ours is going to be for all products, excluding on sale. So leave it as all products there, and then you're going to exclude on sale items now. So for that, you need to click on add filter. And then you can see this option, but you're going to click on the drop down and then choose on sale products. And there's an option for excluding. So it's already on exclude. We're not going to touch that. Okay. And now we're going to give a value for our discount. So it's going to be a percentage discount. So the value is 20%. Okay. Now we're going to add the condition now. Awesome. So we're going to add a condition based on shipping, users from a specific country. So add condition and scroll down to shipping. Okay. So under shipping, you have variety of options. For now, we're going to give it for a specific country or countries. So country, and we're going to enlist the country. I'm going to choose just one for now. It's going to be India, my country. Okay. So we choose our country, and then our rule is alrighty right. Now it's time to save and close. Nice. You can see that my simple rule has been enabled. Now it's time to check it out. Okay. Now visit the store and you can see the card. So you can see both items are the discount has been applied to both items already. And this is my on sale product, and you can see there's no discount for this. Wow, it worked great. This is how we create 20% off on all products in our store, excluding on sale items and adding a specific country. You can see this is India. Awesome. Yeah, we did it. Thanks for watching.